Andersen storm doors with the rapid install system are more than just beautiful. They're faster and easier to install than any other storm door on the market. They come pre-assembled in left and right-handed configurations. There's no cutting required, and all you need are a few basic tools. Today, we're in the Andersen Learning Center to give you an installation overview. To see all the steps required and important safety information, read and follow the installation guide found in the box. Begin by resting the orange spacer, which is located on the bottom of the door, onto the sill. Then tip the door into place. Then pre-drill into the mounting surface through the side rail holes and secure with screws. Next, remove the orange installation clips by loosening the screws. Then retighten. Now install the handle set. The lock case is already pre-installed within the door to make installation faster and easier. There are two different sized rain cap mounting flanges included. Install the one that best covers the gap above the rain cap. Now install the closer by first attaching a closer bracket to the storm door and a closer bracket to your entryway's jamb. Finally, secure the closer with pins. Adjust the closing speed, and your installation is complete. Andersen storm doors with the rapid install system. Installation has never been easier.